The Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Robert County, southern Nicholtree County, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 17 miles southeast of Spearman, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Wolf Creek Park, Waka, and Farnsworth. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Nicholtree and Roberts.